Good morning, guys. So the video today is about house tour. Our house tour in Almudge, Muscat. So this is our new house, and this is the view from outside. We have two parking lot, and this is the area. There's a swimming pool in front, and this is our environment, our neighborhood. So here our small gate. Ito yung bahay namin. Yan. So, maliit na gate at may aloe vera. Kawawa naman yung aloe vera, hindi na alaga. Yan, papasok tayo sa gate. Then sasara natin siya kasi we have Fonzie. Lagi siya tumatakbo. Pasok mo, guys, may isang room dito. This is supposed to be a driver's room or maid's room. Karamihan dito sa area na to, villa, ito yung maid's room. But for us, ginawa namin siyang stock room. Dito yung mga luggages. Yan. So, may Fonzie. Ginawa namin siyang stock room. Hindi naman siya ganun kasi kalaki, pero okay naman siya. Importante naman kasi may privacy. Ayan, may aircon, tsaka may toilet bath naman siya. Bathroom, toilet, attached. So, see? Ayun o, may shower room pa nga. So, sa iba dito, guys, ito yung kanilang ito yung kanilang maid's room. Pero sa amin, ginawa namin stock room. At yung sa loob na pang guest room, yun ang binigyan namin sa aming nanny. So, ito yung patio. Patio ang tawag. Yung parang hallway papunta doon sa loob. So, here we have a small garden. Maliit lang siya, guys. Pero, enough na siya to have a barbecue. Fonzie can play here. During summer, we can buy a inflatable swimming pool. But actually, we have swimming pool there also in front of our house. So, ayan. So, I'm planning to take out this two pots and put it somewhere. At lagyan ko siya ng maraming lupa. Dito din, maglalagay ako ng maglalagay ako ng potted plants. Binibira ko siya. So, as of now, dito muna kami nagsasampay kasi kailangan namin ng sunshine. So, pasok tayo, guys. Tararan! So, pagpasok, hello! Hi! We're gonna make a house tour video. So, come in. So, pagpasok mo, guys, this is living room. So, ayan. Our small living room. Actually, I have something to do about maglalagay pa ako ng frame or whatever additional decoration. So, yan. Because this house we rented as fully furnished. So this, all what you see, they are included in this house. Okay, Fonzie, can you come inside? Come in, come in, come in. It's very hot outside. Come. Come here. First time ni Fonzie na may garden here. Lagi siyang lumalabas. Ang delikado lang pag lumabas siya dun sa at pumakbo. So, here, our TV. Yung microphone naghihilo talaga. Bala kong palitan itong TV stand kasi ay liit niya oh. Liit niya. Tapos parang tamang-tama lang siya sa TV. So konting masagi lang yan o matulak ni Ponzi. Bagsak yan. And here's our living room. 6 seaters. So as I've said, bala ko yung paglagyan ng kaya ayan muna. And our kitchen. Ayan. Ayan si Beth.
Hello guys, welcome to our vlog. What's up?
Ayan, supported siya sa channel. Ayan ang aming kitchen. Diba? Ang ganda ng kulay. Fresh ang kulay. Fun! Come in! Okay. I will make you a tour. This is the laundry room. There, there's the washing machine. We put our dirty clothes and there is some stuff stored there. And this is Ate Beth's room. Yes, it's fine. This is her sofa. This is her bed with teddy bears. That's her closet. And her toilet. So, hindi na natin buksan yung toilet niya. Shower. Paz! Bet na sa labas siya ha. Akit ako. So, akyat tayo. Pero medyo masyadong nag-aalala lang ako kay Fonzie dahil sa hagdan na to. Pero balak namin siyang lagyan ng gate doon sa taas. Kasi minsan, pag-gising niya kasi, nag-aano lang siya. Naghahanap yan sa akin. So, pag-gising niya, natakot ako baka pumunta siya dito at bumaba. Eh, pag antok, alam mo na mahilo-hilo ka. Takot na ako baka mahulog. So, ito, balak namin ito siyang lagyan ng gate. From here to here. So, this cabinet, ano yan siya? Para sa water heater, parang tangke. Yan. So, nilagyan ko rin ng mga stuff namin. Maliit na maliit lang. So, first, this room is supposed to be our guest room. Or, yeah, it's supposed to be our guest room, but since we're not expecting any guests as of now, ginawa namin siya munang office. So, this will be our office room or study room. So, kapag, sa ngayon wala pa kaming wifi, hindi pa kami nakabitan. So, dito ka mag-whitey-whitey, ganyan. I don't really like this chair. Kabitan na lang namin. So, ito yung show rack na, ewan, di ko alam kung saan namin itutuloy ito. Kasi, ito yung bumagsak dati na binuksan ni Fonzie at nakita niya, bumagsak. Isa lang niya naman. So, this is our study room / office room. Ayan. At may ano na siya, may cupboard din dito for the guest in case in holidays. So, to my friends, you are welcome to visit us. So, as of now, damit ko muna yung nilagay ko kasi
Nadami pa yan.
kasi si Habi na sa Ulabi nagkano ng movers, collect our stuff and transport the stuff. So, this is Fonzie's bedroom. This is Fonzie's bedroom. Ayan. So, this is his bedroom. This bed has is 2 layers.
Oh, yeah.
The first layer we put in our bedroom because we cannot let him sleep alone. So we take out the upper part and put in our bedroom so he will sleep with us.
Mommy, is it koi?
Yeah, look, he has also this.
Is it koi?
Buti pa yung kay Fonzie, maganda yung, anong tawag dito? Cabinet na may mirror.
Is it round?
Yeah, yung sa amin kasi doon.
Mommy, is it round?
Yeah.
Is it
So,
round?
this is Fonsie's bedroom. Yan. Yung closet niya, nandiyan dyan din. Have a look. Oh. Hindi pa dumating yung ano yung...
This mommy.
Yeah, this is mommy. So, here in for and pardon my barok-barok English, guys. You know. So, this is Fonsie's toilet. But I'm planning to share the bathroom with Fonzie. I don't like to share the bathroom with Daddy. Yeah. So this toilet has no place to put our stuff actually. So planning to buy as soon as we have time. But the good thing I like this one is the bathtub is huge bathtub. Look, very spacious. So yeah. No, that's wet. Okay? Okay, so we go to this is the master's bedroom. Put it back ano? It's the master's bedroom. Yeah. So this is our toilet. This is supposed to be the toilet of my husband and I, but I don't want to share a toilet with him because he is Fonzie keep on chasing me. So what are you looking? But I like the what you call the lavabo here. I like the lavabo here because it has a drawer where you can store lots of your stuff. See? This is our, yeah. Okay, so close. And look, this is our bedroom. Okay, there we go. So, ito yung ano, yung tuwa is downstairs. So, this is the upper part of Fonsie's bed. Pinatong namin dito para dito muna siya matulog kasi we cannot let him sleep alone there. Baka bumaba sa hagdan. So, this is our bed. I like the curtains. And this guys, bago to siya. Tsaka ito, terno yung headboard ng kama namin. I don't really love it, but because it looks very old. Pero bago yan siya. Terno siya sa... Tapos yung mirror. Ang liit. Gusto ko yung malapad siya. Tapos marami siyang patungan. May mga abubot ko madami-dami. So, I'm planning to change it. So, as of now, ito lang muna yung mga gamit namin. Kasi yung iba na sa Abu Dhabi pa. Oh, yun na yung makuwet. Don't be so, ma. Fonzie, don't be, ma. Don't be makuwet. At saka may ano siya, may balcony facing the road. Yung kalsada na to, hindi naman to siya, ano, yung pumapasok lang dito, yung mga resident lang din. Yung mga taga dito lang din. So, hindi siya maingay na, yung parang kalsada na maraming sasakyan. So, ang mga kaano dito, mga sasakyan, pag nag-drive sila dito, dahan-dahan lang naman. Hindi sila nag-i-speed. Kaya, tulad nun, may sasakyan. Wala ka halos marinig. Konting ingay lang. So, yun, malaking cupboard. Ayan. Yeah. So, that's it. Si Fonzie. Okay, that's it guys. That goes with our house tour in Al Moj, Muscat. Oh, yun ang sabi ko eh. Delikado eh. Okay, that's it for today, guys.